All right, so I'm going to talk about using the shell command. So just to have something on the screen, I'm going to make a box. I'm going to make it 20 by 20 by 20. Go to shaded mode. And what the shell command will do is it's going to essentially remove one of these faces and give the rest of it, the rest of your piece thickness. So the piece that I want to remove is the piece on the bottom. So just make sure you're looking at the bottom of this, type in shell. Give it a thickness, we'll do 1. And select the bottom surface. And then just hit enter. So what it should do is you can see at the bottom, it's given this a thickness of 1. It has to get rid of that last surface in order for it to do it, but it gave the rest of it thickness. And you go into ghosted mode, you can see that on the top here, it's also giving it thickness. So it's a great way of giving, making everything having some thickness instead of using the offset surface command, but it does remove one of the faces. So normally the way I use this is go to undo, go back to shaded mode, is I will make a copy of this bottom surface. So I'm going to come over here to my explode command, but instead of using explode, I'm going to right click and go to extract surface. Here in your options, just make sure copy is on or copy equals yes. If you're on a Mac, on the right hand side, you should have the option to copy. So when you click on the bottom surface and hit enter, I'm going to move this out of the way. It should essentially just make a copy of that one surface. So now if I go back and use shell with a thickness of 1, there, it's giving me the shell, but then I can use this extra piece to move this back into place. And I can use the offset surface command. A distance of 1, corner sharp, solid equals yes. I want this going into the box. So now I have the piece along the bottom and the rest of this. So if I did a clipping plane, I can see how this is getting cut into, and now it has a solid all the way around. I can just move my clipping plane or rotate it. And there I can see I have more of a solid object all the way around.